today in front of me HUAWEI Honor, and I'll show you how to change your permissions on this device. So first you should go into the settings and then scroll to the apps section, tap there, and now just tap here to the permission manager. And for example, we can just change the permissions for our camera applications. Here as can you see, we got the section with our allowed permission to the camera and to the messages. And now for example, we can just change to the health, and now we just should swipe the allow and camera access, and now just we can go back, and as can you see here we got the health application. And for example, by the same way we can just allow the permissions for the music applications, the camera. Also we can go with the location. And now as can you see, we got allowed all the time the camera, Google and Google Maps. And for example, we can just do it for weather, and now just we can switch deny to the allow only while we using the application, or for example all the time, or we'll go with the while we're just using the app. And now just go back, and as can you see, we got here the weather. So that's how it looks, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.